Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back. So now in this lecture, we're going to be understanding about the file manager and the MySQL. So as you can see that in the previous lecture, we actually bought the web hosting and our domain is live. So if your domain is not live, then please wait for at least 48 hours so that your domain is actually live. And when you will visit your domain, you should see just like forbidden. Now, there is also one more thing that I want you to do, and that is to open up your email account and make sure that you have received this whois verification for your domain. That would be like for my domain, it's actually itanzl.com, and here it should tell you action required. So make sure that you have received this email, and it will just tell you that one last step to activate your domain. So what I want you to do is to just copy the link address and make sure to just like paste it in your browser. What you can do is that you can paste that link, and now your account will be actually, your domain will be actually activated. So it says that the verification link was already used because I have already activated my account. And now once you are done with that, now your domain will be fully active. Now there is one more thing that I want you to do, and that is to check if the SSL is working. And how you can check that is that you have to write here before the domain, just write here https:// and then just hit enter. And once you will hit enter, it should give you a padlock sign. Like here should be a lock sign coming right here. That means that the domain has the SSL. So if it gives you an error, then also wait for some time, like probably like 12 hours, and you will be given the SSL. If you are not given the SSL, then what you can do is that you can visit this helpchat.bluehost.com, and then you have to contact the Bluehost company, and then you have to tell them that my SSL is not working, and they will add the SSL for you. But SSL should be automatically added to your domain once you have basically approved, or once you have basically verified your email for the whois. Alright, so now let's just go ahead and let's go to our portal, or let's go to our cPanel, that is the control panel, and let's have a look at our website. So how you can access your cPanel, you just have to write here my.bluehost.com. Now once you will hit enter, Bluehost will redirect you there, and now you have to enter your domain name here. So let's enter the domain name here. And now here right down below, you need to enter your password that you entered for the Bluehost. Now, if you have forgotten it, you can just click on forget password and you can just recover that. But now I will just hit login, and it will redirect me to the Bluehost portal right here. Now let's have a look at it. So now once you are actually logged in, here you can see that you will be given your username here, and it will redirect you to the My Sites, and it will tell you that do you want to add a site, but we will not add any site. What I want you to do is to just click on it that says advanced over here, and this will load up your cPanel where you can manage everything. So it says welcome to your new hosting account. cPanel is here to help. And now here, this is the control panel where you can manage everything. So what I want you to do is to just open up your file manager, and you will be taken there. Now this is exactly same as the XAMPP. Now if we actually go to the applications and then we go to the XAMPP over here, now you can see that we are given all the files. So this is exactly same like that. If you are on a Windows, just go to your local disk and open up your XAMPP, and you should see that. Now here you can see that we have got this public_HTML. So if you open up, you can see that there is just like there might be a one single file, and if you open up this htdocs, then there is all the files. So right here you can see that this is empty, or there is a one useless file that we do not need, but you can see that this is the main page. So let's suppose that now we create our first file. Now what I want you to do is to just go to the file right here, click on it, and here it says new file name. So what I want you to do is to name your file as index.html. And once you're done with that, now what you need to do is to just hit create new file, and you can see that we have got this file created. Now what you need to do is to right click on it and just click HTML edit, and now you need to click on edit over here and you should see the HTML editor. Now here let's just go to the heading one and let's enter welcome to our website. All right. So now once you're done with that, now what you need to do is to just hit save. Now you can see that it says successfully saved the file. So now what you can do is that you can close this editor, and now if you come back to the website and you refresh this, you can see that it tells us welcome to our website, and this is right here. It says hello world. So if the web page is actually not loaded, which means that it still gives you the forbidden, then what you can do is that you can add here slash question mark and then add here no cache, CACHE, is equals to 1, and then just hit enter and you should see that. So if you are actually not seeing that, then add this no cache is equals to 1, then your web page should be loaded. Now you can see that we have understood that public underscore HTML is actually our htdocs folder, which is going to be our root folder. Now what we need to do is that we need to get rid of this file because we do not need this anymore. So what we will do is that we will go ahead and we will delete this file. Now make sure that you have nothing in it. You can also delete this file because we do not need this anymore. So let's just delete it. Now once you have got everything deleted, now if you go and you go to your website and you hit enter, you can see that we are still being given this. And so what we need to do is that we need to write here slash question mark no cache is equals to, just now add 2 over here. All right, just add 2 here, and now you can see that we are being given forbidden. So every time you make a change to the server, just add no cache is equals to 2, because there is actually a caching on the server side so that the website should be loaded very much faster. And that is why every time you make a change, just add this no cache is equals to 2, no cache is equals to 3, so that you can see like okay, this is the newer version. All right, now this caching is basically done on the server side for approximately 24 hours. So after the 24 hours, if you just like it will be reverted back to the normals. So then you do not have to write here no cache is equals to 2. All right, so now you can see that we are fully done with the file manager. Now let's have a look at the PHP My Admin. So if you now click on PHP My Admin, then you should be taken to the PHP My Admin of the cPanel. It says the system will redirect you to the PHP My Admin in a moment, and let's have a look at that. So now, once we are actually in the PHP My Admin, it is exactly same as it was on the local host. So if you now go to localhost :8080/PHP My Admin, now you can see that we have got some of the databases created, and now here we do not have any database created because we have to create one. So now from the next lecture, what we will be doing is that we will be just like downloading or copying all the files from the htdocs to the file manager right here. We will be pasting them, and then what we will be doing is that we will be just like getting this database, this WP database, and we will be adding it here, and our locally hosted this website, which is right here. So if I just go to localhost :8080, now this website is locally hosted. Now this will be online right here in no time. So in the next video, what we will be doing is that we will be downloading all the files from this, and we will be uploading them into the file manager.